Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. Beautiful, beautiful taco we have. So beautiful Tacoma, 2018 Toyota Tacoma, lifted SR5, 3.5 liter V6 4x4. Rolling on a nice set of wheels, aftermarket wheels with some BFGoodrich all-terrain tires. These are a 265/70 17-inch tire. And they have full turn right, full turn left, no rubbing at all whatsoever. Bone stock other than that. Nice little factory OEM Tacoma hard cover tailgate, soft open tailgate, or bed cover, I'm sorry, soft open tailgate, and this little latch pull right there, and it's a folding one, tri-folding one. Has all the gaskets, little compartments in there, American flag lettering Tacoma. Really, really cool. I love the truck. Runs and drives great. No issues. Been inspected at our local Toyota dealership right up the street here. Everything under it's good. The tires are good. Interior is beautiful. Miles are 115,155 maintained miles. Backup camera, all the apps. Rear window sliding, four-wheel drive works great. My tires shine right there. Seats are good. The back seats are good. You got the quick disconnect floor mats. Bed thing right there to see in the bed. Let's check the power plant and show you guys what's going on. Here's the VIN number. It's a nice truck. It really is. The door jambs are clean. Power, everything. Really nice Tacoma. Power plant looks great. V6, the fluids are clean. Battery's in good shape, starts up fine. Firewall's good. Engine oil. Hood's heavy as a horse. So yeah, she's tough. It's for sale. Yep, you heard it. Give us a call, 540-898-3025. It's gonna be on the website until it's sold at superiorwholesale.org. Hope you guys like this. This is a really nice get around truck if you're not looking to do any damage in the country, off-roading, or if you're not looking to go crazy in the city. This is a good equal median, okay? Best of both worlds. You can still look cool going on your business trip. You can still look cool showing up with your buddies in the field with a deer hanging out of the back, or some ducks, whatever you guys are into. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Give us a shout. All the control, lane departure and proximity sensors too. You hit those buttons and it'll be like, beep, 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 beep. You're getting too close or you're going out of your lane. Guys, don't take advantage of this button right here. If you're drunk driving and doing some dumb stuff, I've heard people putting that button on when you, oh, I'm driving drunk, I'm gonna put this button on. Boom, now it tells you when I go out of the lanes. Come on, moron, don't drive drunk in the first place. That'll solve the whole thing. Uber ride is a lot cheaper than a DUI. Remember that. So with that said, I hope that clarifies that. Yeah, hope you guys are doing great. Take care. See you later. Bye.